Okay, so now on to getting our Redux project, or actually it's just a starter project. I'm gonna put in a link to my repository here. Then I'm gonna copy this with the git clone command and paste it into my console. And then I'm going to go into the directory Redux Learning Starter. Then I'm going to run yarn install. If you don't have yarn, feel free to use npm install. Then I'm going to wait for this to install. And then we will run the React Native run iOS command. So this means you have to have Xcode installed and set up and so on. And vice versa, you can also use React Native run Android, of course. If you want to use Android, that's up to you. And now I'm just gonna wait for this to finish, and then we'll move on to the next section and look at the project. Okay, see you.